everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Now in today's video we're looking at how to delete custom fields in Wrike. How to delete custom fields in Wrike. Now let's say if you already made custom fields, you prepared custom fields, and now you want to delete them. What are the steps you need to take? I'm going to show them to you. The first step you need to take is click on your profile picture in the top left corner. Then select settings from the drop down menu. Click custom fields in the left panel under account management. If you want to delete a space level custom field, I think you have to delete a custom field. Okay, I think I should start from the beginning to explain something. You see, custom fields, we have different levels of it. The first level we have is the account level, and the second level is the space level. Now if you're deleting an account level, then you click on the profile picture in the top left corner, select settings, select custom fields in the left panel under account management. As simple as that. But if you're looking for, or you're looking to delete that of a space level, then you have to do this. You have to first navigate to relevant space and then click on the get icon located either in the sidebar or below the space name, and then you select the custom fields tab. Once you select the custom fields for either the space level or the account level, the next step is to find the custom field you want to delete in the list, and then click the boxes to the left of the titles of all the custom fields you want to delete. Then click delete from account in the panel that appears on the right. That is for the account level. If you're using the space level, you click on the row of the relevant custom fields in the table and you click delete from account located at the bottom of the overlay that appears on the right. The next step you can take is to confirm the deletion in the pop-up window, and that's it. So once again, let me explain again. I said we have two levels of custom fields. We have account level and space level. Using the account level, I show you the steps to take to access it and the steps to take to delete it. If you're using the space level, take the steps I also gave to you to access and delete it. And don't forget to confirm your deletion. It's as simple as that. Now there's an important thing to take note of. Number one, you see the the account level custom fields are available across your entire Wrike account, while the space level custom fields are specific to a particular space. And also, deleting a custom field will remove all data associated with that field. Don't forget that also, if you delete a custom field, it is generally irreversible. So think twice before you do that. Anyway, moving on. Once you follow the steps, you can effectively delete custom fields in Wrike and streamline your data management within the platform. Please note that the specific steps and options may vary slightly depending on your Wrike plan and the current version of the Wrike interface. So always refer to the official Wrike Help Center for the most up-to-date and accurate information. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.